What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew Noble and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad. Today we're getting the oil change in the Audi R8. The Audi R8 is not in the garage right now. I know I can change the oil myself, but you know what? It has 5 drain plugs, and correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure you have to drain the plugs in a specific order, so I decided to pay the $400 and have it done at the Audi dealer. They gave me a loaner car. They gave me a loaner Q5, so I'm gonna do a little walk around here real quick. 2021, it has the Quattro. You know what? I'm not even sure what kind of engine it has in it, so let's check and see what the engine is. This engine cover is foam. Check that out. It's got a little foam piece on it. My guess would be a 2.5, but you guys can let me know. Let's open up the back here and see how much room we have back here. Oh, check this out. The window sticker happens to be right in the back, so we'll be able to check and see what it is. 2.0 inline 4-cylinder engine. That's what it is. No turbos. It does have a 7-speed S-tronic transmission. When I was driving back here, I did notice that it was shifting pretty quick. $48,290. Not too bad. Just under 50 grand for a crossover Audi. Coming around this side over here, it does have the Quattro system. Should we take it off-road and take it 4-wheel driving? I kid. Or maybe let's go get some launch controls and 0 to 60s. I'm kidding again. It is a rental car from Walter's Audi. Thank you so much for letting me borrow this car for the day. So let's head back to the Audi dealership and pick up my R8. And we're back in the Audi R8. Everything went fine with the oil change. We just ticked 18,000 miles. They recommended the 65,000 full service on it, which included the spark plugs, but I went ahead and just paid the $419 for the oil change, and we'll take care of that next time. That was like a $1,900 service. Now, the purpose of this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that has been on my mind since I picked up the Audi R8. A few months ago, a YouTube creator had picked one up, and as he was driving it down the road, he saw some flames in the rearview mirror, and by the time he had pulled over, the car was already engulfed in flames. I'll put some footage of that right here so you guys can see what happened. Oh, no. Right now. Oh, told you, mate. Holy holy. Come over, mate, come over. Now, I think it was a little bit earlier year of the R8, however, it still is on my mind and I still worry about it from time to time, especially owning a supercar of this caliber and value. I want to make sure that everything is safe. So I went online and started to do some research on fire extinguishers. You can buy a full-on extinguisher that mounts down to the floor, down here, down to the floorboard, and it's just for one car. There is a product on the market. I really think that this is a great product because it's portable. You can take it from car to car, and who knows, if that guy would have had one of these in his car, maybe the R8 would have been saved. You also see some horror stories of supercars bursting into flames after getting into like a minor car accident, and I wanted to make sure that this car was protected and that didn't happen. And who knows, perhaps it would actually save someone's life. You know, Paul Walker passed away in a car accident after his Porsche Carrera GT bursted into flames. He was still alive after the impact, and then he ended up passing away in the flames. There's some footage of passersby right when the accident happened and watched the car burst into flames. Who knows, maybe if they would have had that, maybe it could have saved a life. So I decided to pull the trigger on this fire extinguisher. It was 70 bucks, and it is designed by Element. I'll put a product link down below to this particular fire extinguisher. Here it is right here. It comes in a cool little packaging like this. It basically can store anywhere. I've been keeping it in my little mesh back here. However, it also does come with a mounting clip. there's that little mounting bracket right there. Jay Leno actually did a full-on review of this, and I'll put a link to his video in the description down below so you guys can go check it out. They activated it, they had the chemical reaction, and Jay Leno actually held it for 50 full seconds as it came out of the fire extinguisher. It's actually pretty neat, and it's also eco-friendly. So if you are around the vapor, it doesn't hurt you to be actually around it. If you were to get sprayed with a fire retardant that comes in a regular fire extinguisher, it's actually hazardous, but this, it's eco-friendly. Maybe you don't want to breathe it in, but if you do, it's not going to hurt you. Once we get home right here, I will take it out of the packaging so you guys can check it out and see what it looks like. And what we'll do is we'll go through the Audi R8 and we'll see if we can maybe find a mounting place for it, and then we'll mount it up so it can be mounted in its specific place. All right, so as you can see here, it has a 50-second duration. I believe you can get different sizes. You can get one that lasts a little bit longer, but the $70 one that I have linked down below is this particular one. It lasts for almost a full minute. And basically here are the steps. You pull off the top, you pull off the bottom, you take the bottom and it has a little like strike, like a match that you strike the top of it, and then it activates that chemical reaction and it comes out, allowing you to fight that fire. All right, let's have a look at it here. So really cool. It says fire extinguisher here. It has also the instructions right here on the side, and there it is right there. Element Advanced Fire Protection. There's the bottom, there's the top. You pull the top off, you pull the bottom off, strike it, and then you're good to go. Let's go check the R8 and see if there's somewhere I could mount this to. Maybe in the glove box here. Not too much room in the glove box. I don't think there's enough room in there for me to mount it. Check this out. I never even knew this was here, but there's a little storage compartment right underneath the passenger seat. Maybe put something in there. I think definitely the fire extinguisher is too big to fit in there. Let's check if the driver's side has one of these. Check that out, driver's side has one too. I wonder if maybe I could drill into this little plastic piece that anchors the baby seat. That wouldn't work because the fire extinguisher goes perpendicular to this thing, so it has to like mount like that. Let's check the front. Maybe like that. Maybe I can mount it right there just like that in the center. I think this thing just pops right off. So I think I have decided to mount it to this little plastic piece right here and then attach it just like that. So what I need to do is I need to drill some holes through here, mount it up, and then just replace that. I'm not gonna bore you with that install. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and make those drill marks and then install it and show you guys what it looks like, the finished product. All right, there it is, all mounted up in the front of the Audi R8, the Element fire extinguisher, just in case something does happen. All you need to do is come in, grab it, and you are good to go. I have that peace of mind knowing that just in case something does happen, I have the fire extinguisher to be able to put out a fire if one does happen to start. That particular R8 story that I told earlier, it happened to be just a little fuel issue, and then it ended up being a total loss to his R8 just because that little fuel line had a spark and then the fire started. So this little guy right here will save us from any fire that may start in that engine bay. Check them out. Again, I put a product link down in the description down below. It doesn't have to be for a supercar, a Jeep, a truck, whatever, off-roading. It can never hurt to have a fire extinguisher just in case. So pick up your Element fire extinguisher and add it to your list of must-haves for your vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If this is the type of things that you like to see, please give the video a thumbs up and also comment what more you want to see on the channel. I appreciate it so much. Check out my social pages, Facebook and Instagram. Also, I just started a TikTok, Hot Wheels Dad. Go check it over there. I have been posting some really cool things on TikTok, specifically to the engine sounds, the V8 and the V10. I won't reveal it. Go check it out and see what it is. It's actually really cool. I think you guys will like it. Please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. It helps me grow and it helps me get out to more and more people. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Almost 2,000 subscribers, you guys. All thanks to you guys, my channel has been growing. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more car and truck content to come. I post once a week, so I would appreciate it if you would browse the channel and check everything out. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I think this Tesla wants to play right here.